Okay, this is my 1989 Polaris Trail Boss, my new quad. Okay, I put a new muffler on it. Here's what it looks like. Try to do this real quick before I run out of memory from my iPod. Okay, well this is what I had with me at my farm. I'll show you around a little bit, I guess. Okay, so here's the muffler. Looks nice. Here's what it looked like if you'd see me riding. Nice. Better than the crappy old one. Oh, smoke's still coming out. Okay, so we made a whole new pipe by cutting and welding and bending. So there's a weld. There's a weld to the pipe. There's a weld there. Then there's two more in there. You can see that, right? Yeah, you can. Okay, well, yeah, so you know, it's a two-stroke, so it sounded crappy. And I did some clutch work on this, and it's going to give you some information. Took the rear rack on. I'm going to put it back on, don't worry. And yeah, so that's basically it. Yeah, 250cc. So here, I'm going to start it up and then do a little drive. Sorry, just wait 1 second. Yeah, I shut it off. It has a bit of an idling problem because, I don't know, muffler. Yeah, so that's what it is. This is where I ride. I've taken up on these rocks. This is actually from a bridge in Winnipeg where I live. So here's a good view up on a mountain made out of rocks. Okay. So yeah, so that's my new muffler. I say it's the best I've seen on YouTube because it's not homemade, although the pipe is. But yeah, I'd recommend this quad. Better than any Chinese piece of shit, even though it's an 89. Had no problems other than one of the rollers on in the clutch, and then the bushings in the clutch, because one of the pieces of the rollers broke off. And then I guess it kind of got jammed and stopped spinning. So one spot started wearing off, and it just broke off and broke pieces inside of the clutch, right there. Oh. Got grass in my shoes. Well, yeah, that's my video of the pipe. Starts up easy. It's great. Sounds much better. Can't wait to ride it home. Yeah, look, you can see the buildings. Obviously. Okay. Well, whatever. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Check out my brother's channel, JaggerDagger07, on YouTube. He has videos about his quad and more. We'll probably have a video of us riding together in the mud or something. I don't know. Something. Okie dokie then. Subscribe. Oh. A little down to whatever. And I painted the racks black and rams red. Okay. Well, yeah, so rate, comment, and subscribe for more. Thank you. Bye.